Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. This video how to add contact Samsung A15. Okay, go to keyboard, contact, this plus symbol, select. Okay, this is your contactor name Yogi, phone number 95754627. Okay, this Yogi our mobile email yogi143 at gmail.com. Okay, group, add group, emergency, not accident, contact, family, friend. Okay, this saved, select very to save this contact. Okay, that's all friends. Save contact, Samsung account, phone, Jorolina, Google Mail, Saran. This next, add, save, this your contact, add. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.